COVAW's practice is about enhancing access to justice for women and girls with intellectual disabilities. The project was done in Nairobi and Kiambu counties, and we did this through offering integrated legal and psychosocial support. So what we would do is represent victims in court and at the same time offer counseling services to the victims to enable them face their perpetrators in court. Another component was also raising awareness on their rights, changing practices on prosecuting GBV cases involving women and girls with intellectual disabilities. We offered legal support to the victims in terms of representing them in court, identifying and allocating pro bono lawyers to work closely with them, and because in Kenya, sexual and gender-based violence cases, they are criminal in nature, so the prosecution is done by the state. So our role is to represent the victim. That means we'll work closely with the prosecutors because that is the official legal representative of the victims. So in addition to that, we would also offer technical support to the prosecutors because most of them, they're not conversant with handling people, women with disabilities. We do that by improving the capacities of the criminal justice actors that include the police, prosecutors, and the judicial officers. We do this by training them on use of reasonable accommodations for persons with disabilities. So we offer capacity development. And also we engage in changing judicial procedures for prosecuting sexual and gender-based violence cases involving women with disabilities. And we did that by submitting proposals to a judiciary committee developing the Criminal Procedure Bench Book, which is like a reference book for magistrates and judges when handling criminal matters. So we submitted our proposals and all of them were taken into, so they are part of the draft Criminal Procedure Bench Book that has been validated and it awaits official launch. We partnered with KAIH, which is Kenya Association of the Intellectually Handicapped, and in the partnership, KAIH was to conduct identifying and mobilizing the women and girls with intellectual disabilities who had been sexually violated, and it was a good opportunity for both organizations to learn from each other and use their resources effectively. For me, I would say women and girls with disabilities, they face double tragedy or jeopardy because first they are women, so they face the similar challenges like any other woman. And on top of that, they also face the stereotypes associated with their disabilities. So they are more, I would say, they face more problems, and it's both gender related and also disability related.